Money. It's something we chase, something we work for, something we lose sleep over. But have you ever stopped to ask, what is money really? It's not the paper in your wallet, not the numbers on your screen. Money is trust, collective belief, a symbol we all agree has value. Once upon a time, it was gold, silver, cattle. Today, it's digits on a screen, credit, crypto. Tomorrow, it could be something we haven't imagined yet. But here's the truth. Money is neutral. It doesn't care who holds it. It doesn't choose sides. It only reflects the person who uses it. In the hands of the wise, it builds empires. In the hands of the greedy, it destroys families. In the hands of the kind, it feeds the poor. In the hands of the selfish, it builds walls. People say money changes you. That's not true. Money reveals you. It shows your values, your priorities, your fears. Some spend their whole lives chasing it. Others fear they'll never have enough. But no amount of money will ever fill a heart that's empty, and no price tag can measure true peace. We think the rich are free, but many are chained by their wealth. They protect it, fear losing it, define themselves by it. And the poor, many live with dignity, strength, and a kind of freedom no money cannot health. It can buy attention, not love. It can buy a bed, not sleep. So, what should we do? Use money. Don't let it use you. Earn it honestly. Spend it wisely. Give it generously. And remember, the best things in life aren't things. The truth of money isn't about how much you have. It's about how you see it. Because in the end, when the final chapter is written, it won't be about what you earned, but what you gave. Not what you had, but who you became.